Maybe it's the toilet running a 10K in your bathroom, or that leaky faucet echoing from your kitchen. Whatever problem you're currently wading through, having a plumber take a peek is always a good idea. Because water-using appliances utilize a complex network of pipes, meters, valves, and tanks to deliver fresh water and drain waste. You might find yourself flushing down a hefty wad of cash, breaking something you're trying to fix solo. Slow drains, low water pressure, discoloration, leaking pipes, and funny smells coming from somewhere down there are all reasons to test the tubes. Having a plumber pay your kitchen, bathroom, or basement a visit won't only ensure the water works, it'll send your worries down the drain too.